Welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be about part of speech tagging. This video is going to be one of the videos that I create for my natural language processing with Python playlist. I will be adding its link in the cards of this video. Let's start coding. Part of speech tagging is a crucial task in natural language processing that involves assigning a specific grammatical category or part of speech to each word in a given text. So we are going to separate them like noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, and things like that. At the first step, we are going to import our libraries. I'm going to import natural language toolkit like this, and then I'm going to say from natural language toolkit.tokenize import word tokenize separately, and then I'm going to say from natural language toolkit import part of speech tag like this. So after that, now I'm going to show you how we can do that. I'm going to say sentence, and it's going to be natural language processing is amazing. And after that, I'm going to say words is going to be word tokenize sentence. And then we are going to see our words is going to be in a list type like this. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to say part of speech tags, and I will say part of speech tag. From here, we imported it in here. I'm going to give words inside of it. And after giving that, we are going to see that. So there was an error because I was in a wrong environment. When we run this one right now, we are going to see that if I call the part of speech tags, we are going to see that nature is adjective and this is punctuation, and we have codes like that. You can just check the natural language processing toolkit documentation for these codes. So I just took it from natural language toolkit document, and we can see that. Let's, for example, found the NLP. I'm just going to check that. It's proper noun singular, and check others. VBZ, I'm going to find that quickly. It's verb, third person singular present, and we see the others. You can just find them from internet quickly. So these are our mappings, and great. So after that, after this list, I'm going to show you how we can do that in a data frame. Okay, for that I'm going to import pandas. And then I'm going to create a data like sentences, and it's going to be, let's say natural language toolkit is a powerful tool for NLP, and then I'm going to say something like it provides various functionalities, and we can say something like, let's say, I don't know, Turkey is a great country. Okay, they're not relevant, but I'm sure it's going to work out. So I need to close the bracket in here, and we are good to go. Now what I'm going to do is I will say data frame, and it's going to be equal to the pandas, that data frame, and I will give the data. So when I call the data again, we are going to see that our dictionary is right in here, and we call the data frame. Here is our data frame with 3 rows and the sentences column. Great. So I'm going to create a new column like data frame and part of speech taggings. Then we can say data frame sentences dot apply lambda x post tag word tokenize x. So after that, we are going to see that if we call the data frame, we are going to have natural language toolkit NLP is VBZ and it PRP. Okay, Turkey NLP. Great. So here it is. Also, we can check it like we can call data frame part of speech taggings, and then we can just reach the first element of it, and we are going to get a list like that. If we want to reach the first element of this list, we can directly go like this, and we are going to get the first element like this. And again, if we want to reach the first element of this, we can go like this, and we will get the natural language toolkit. And if we go to the 1, we are going to have NLP. Great. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sharing 2 or 3 new videos every week about data science and Python programming. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have a playlist named Natural Language Processing with Python. You can reach to that playlist from the cards of this video. See you in the next tutorial.